All right, we're going to stretch out our hips. So grab yourself a firm chair. We're going to go into the lunge stretch. Okay, the left foot is up on the chair. I'm giving you this view for a moment. Make sure that your back foot is facing forward as comfortable as possible. And it's not kind of under the midline of your body. The foot is kind of under that hip. All right, press into that heel, squeezing that right buttocks, lunging into your left hip. Now I want you to make sure that your left foot is ahead of your knee, or under the knee, not back here. Pushing into the right heel, squeezing the right buttocks. Lengthen yourself up with not too much arch in your back, reaching up. If your low back is arched, bring the belly button and the lower ribs back toward your spine. Now take that big breath in, trying to keep lengthened through the low back, not extended. And breathe all the way out. One more time, big breath in and out. Bringing the arm down, we're going to lunge deeper into that left hip. So I want you to let your left sit bone and hip sink. You might want to reposition your left foot to where it's comfortable for you, but not behind the knee. Sink into that left hip, pushing firm through the right heel and squeezing that right buttocks. There we are. Now we're going to come out of that a little bit and move the left foot over to the right side of your chair, letting that left knee drop. So you can put your hands on the back of your chair or on the chair arms. This is not the safest idea. Make sure that you don't tip. Letting the left knee drop, we're pushing into the right heel, squeezing that right buttocks, and pushing the left knee down to the floor, not overly hard, about 5 seconds, and then relax the pushing. If you don't feel much in the left hip, you can wiggle the left foot over some more. Pushing down into the left hip, so we're opening up that hip, pushing into the right heel with the right buttock squeeze, and relax. And one more time, pushing down into that left knee and into the right heel, feeling the right buttocks is squeezed as well. And down. We're going to repeat that on the other side. So the left foot is behind. Make sure it's facing forward. And it's kind of under your left hip. So take a peek. It's not under the midline of your body. Okay, we're pushing into that left heel, squeezing the left buttocks, lunging into the right hip. Now it's important here to let that hip relax. Let the ball of the hip, the sit bone of that right hip sink and relax so we can get into a deep hip joint stretch. Taking the left arm up overhead without any arch of the back, so belly button and ribs are in. Taking a deep breath in now. Breathe it all the way out. And again, another big tummy breath in. Still with the left glute squeezed as we exhale. Bringing the hands down to the chair, we'll wiggle the right foot over to the left, dropping the right knee down. So still pushing into the left heel, left glute is squeezing, right knee pushes down. Feeling the right hip opening and stretching. And relax that. Pressing the right knee down, squeezing the left glute, pressing into the left heel. Not overly aggressive, just easy. And relax. And the last time, pushing the right knee down into the left heel, left glute squeezing. And relax, and there you have it.